it's Friedia here, and today I have a little stationery haul. There's a website called Tool Shop. It's actually an only Japanese stationery shop, and they do not ship overseas, so I apologize, but they had so many cute things and I thought I would share it with you guys. So the way that we did it, my friend and I, we had it shipped to her parents' place in Japan, and her mom shipped the shipment to us, and then the second time we had it shipped to our friend, and he came to visit, so he brought the shipment with us. But I have everything here, and it was kind of back to back, so I thought I'd share it with you guys before I open any of it, because I know I'm gonna open it like tomorrow, and I just wanted to show you before I do. Alright, so Tool Shop, again, it's a Japanese stationery store, but the reason why it's so good is because the way everything is categorized, it's just very easy to see, and they have a lot of cool little things that other sites don't. So I'm going to start off with the letter sets that I got. This is Subikiawa? Subikiawa. Wakannai. It's a letter set, but it's got lemons all over, and it's so stinking cute. The paper is really cute, and yeah, it comes with envelopes. They had like a lot of different varieties for this type, but for some reason I fell for the lemons. There's 12 papers and 4 envelopes. So I have been starting to do more pen pal stuff. I'm actually going to start a new Instagram account just for that, so I can post just stationery stuff, because I feel like if I start doing it on my account, people won't understand. If I start doing on my greeting card account, New Moon Paper Goods, then it will kind of just be off of my greeting cards. So I'm starting a new Instagram account, you guys. If you're interested, let me know. But yeah, so yeah, the paper is just really adorable. I had to get it. Second thing I got is this one called Paper Tasting Unique Japanese Papers, and it's like a set of all different types of papers inside. So this one is actually volume 1. I know they had like different volumes on here. Let me just lower it. But this is volume 1, and they have a lot of like translucent papers. And what's cool is each paper, they have it written here on the package, and they tell you what it's good for. If it's good for like a fountain pen, or if it's not good for a ballpoint pen. It's really specific, but each one has something different. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a try because I have some things that I want to make, and why not? It's definitely hard to choose which one you want out of these, because they all have like, one had grid paper. It was just so pretty. But yeah, anyways, I thought I'd try it with this one. Star one with star foil. So this series, they had, I believe, 3 or 4 colors, and I picked this peachy tone. There's 4 envelopes, 12 letter papers, and 4 stickers. So the letter papers are just this size. They're not very big. And the envelope is just embossed with golden stars. Super, super duper cute. I kind of want the other colors now, but we'll wait for a while. I also got some like origami paper or some decorative paper to kind of use it either to decorate your letters, or you can cut them up and use them in other places. You can make little envelopes. There's so many things that you can do with little origami or printed paper. So I thought this design was a lot of fun. These have just little shapes, and then this is sort of like spaceship type of thing. But yeah, it's so cute. 2 patterns, 5 sheets each, 10 sheets altogether. I got this one because my friend got it, and she was like, you should get it because you'll use it. But it's basically like a washi tape, but with this type of tab. So you can write underneath it and write above it. You can do both. I don't know yet, but they were cute, so I was like, yes, I want it. I just don't know how to use it yet. I also really like the washi tapes that are already cut. I'm actually trying to get that into my store, but it's taking a while. The process is taking a while. MT wrap. So MT is the company that does the washi tapes, and they basically have like decorative paper that comes out like saran wrap or aluminum foil. So there's little teeth here, and you pull the paper out, and I believe it's sticky on the inside, so you can make like envelopes or wrap things in it, and it kind of sticks together. I got this pattern because I thought it was really cute, and the size is really cute. It's like a good letter size. I have some ideas, so I just gotta try it out too. If you guys want to see my ideas, let me know and I'll make it happen. And then one more thing before I go into washi tape. So this cute little spiral notebook, I got it, and then before I knew it, I was able to get it into my store as well. So if you want to get these, I'll link as much as I can down below, but this one I have in my store for sure. And it's really cute because it's this like little folder. There's 12 folders in here with a window, so you can put things in here to store and you'll be able to see it. And so what I want to do is have like some washi tape in here, another for my stickers, another for like little clippings. There's different ways of using it, and it's like a good little pocket size. It's not too big, it's not too small, but I really like it. I love anything that's Midori. So yeah, I'm happy with it. If you're looking for it, let me know. But that's basically it. So the envelope, and then there's like a little window to see what's inside everything. So yeah, if you collect like vintage stamps or stickers, or you can even put like receipts. You can put, if you're traveling, you can put like little things that you cut out in there and keep it. It's actually really nifty, so I'm really excited to use this. So there's this thing, so you add it to your washi tape and then you can cut it wherever it is. And this too I'm trying to get into my shop because they do sell it at some stores, but it's not as popular yet. And I feel like, well, I already have one. This is actually from my friend. I have one and I use it all the time because before I would either use scissors, which is still fine, but it's just way easier when you have it just there and you can cut it and paste it. It's just an extra little thing, but it's so compact. And this too has two different sizes. They have one that's for bigger, and this one's the smaller one, the 10 to 15 millimeter one. And so yeah, that's what I have, and I highly recommend it. If you find it, you should get one. So I had to get this one because they are a little cactus washi tape. Look how cute they are. So stinking cute. So they kind of, let's see, I don't know if you can tell, but they're all just individually rolled in there, and then you can peel them off and it's just like one by one. And so I also got this house one because I just thought the colors were so vintage and cute like. So these are all the houses and they look something like this. There are 18 different patterns. This one has 12. There's 200 pieces and 180 pieces. I just feel like I can use a lot of this in my planner, like if I just want to decorate, or if I have something that I'm doing for the house, then I can use this, or I thought it would just be really cute to do. This is what I got from MT. I got 2 little smaller rolls and then 4 big rolls. I'm gonna go with the smaller rolls. The MT, it's green and red. Green and red. I know it's a little Christmassy, but I was thinking I could use it for holiday, but I also just really like the pattern. This one is more of like a modern feel. There's just blocks of different colors. I got this, oh, this actually is not MT. This is the Subikiawa. It's the same as the lemon letter set that I showed you earlier, but the patterns are just all very abstract and I sort of liked it. It's very random, but I thought I could cut it and use different patterns or I don't know, it's a little thicker than I would like it to be, but I feel like I can get use out of this one. And then I got the Kamoi Paper, the Aroma MT Washi, and it's basically like all herbs and flowers and things, and it's just really, really cute, botanical-like. I got that one, and I also got some vintage or sort of European stamp-like ones. I just really like the color palette and the pattern. So stinking cute. I feel like there's so many ways that you can decorate with something like this. Love it. And then the very last one is also not MT. I apologize. It is from Harukoyomi. So this one I kind of got for basically my planner because it has all the dates with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I feel like I can use it just in any notebook, or I can add like another week or something in my planner that's not my planner. But what's cool is they had it, this is for every day, but they also had it, the numbers to be different, or you could get it in Japanese. Like they had different variety of these. Oh, and there's actually two. Yeah, so there's two washi tapes in there, and then you can set when Monday is for what day. Does that make sense? Two, if you are doing bullet journal type of thing, this will really come in handy. So that's basically it. I didn't want to keep you guys too long, but that is what I got from the tool shop. I will link that store down below. If you have friends in Japan, I would encourage you to possibly take advantage of that and ask if they can send it to you, because they have a lot of cute stuff. There's still stuff on there that I want to get, like stamps, and there's a watercolor set that's really, really pretty. But yeah, these are just some of the things that I picked up within the last month. I don't know if I'll be doing a lot of stationery haul. I'm being more picky now because I don't want to just over accumulate things that I won't use. But when I do find something that I do like, then I will buy it, and let me know if you guys want to see more of it. I'm also going to try to make more videos of how I utilize these things, of how I use my washi tape, or how I do my planner and things like that, because that's something that I like to watch, and so I would think that maybe other people would like to watch it too. If you guys have any online stationery stores that you like, please let me know in the comments below, because I'm always looking for new stores. I recently found Nico Neko Zakka, which is something my friend recommended, and they're super, super cute. They have a lot of sort of minor or indie, really cute stationery stuff, and I like looking at them and studying about them and stuff like that. Also, it's because I have a small online store, and if you guys want to check that out, it's newmoonpaper.com. But I mostly have my greeting cards, enamel pins, and I'm gradually, little by little, getting things to put in there, like notebooks, stamps. I actually just got some wax seal stamps, which I should take photos of. Note to self today. Yeah, I'm getting more and more things because I also want to create a small online store of things that I love. So if you guys let me know where you guys shop for stationery, I would love to take a peek and do some research. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. I will be back with a new video very soon, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Alright, I'll see ya. Bye.